Hello everyone, welcome to my kind of cooking. Today we're going to be making a delicious rose syrup. This is used to make several drinks and desserts. Let's get started. The ingredients we'll be needing are lots of paneer roses, beetroot juice for color, lime juice and sugar. First, pluck out the petals from the roses and rinse them in clean water. To make the rose syrup, add these beautiful rose petals to a pan with 1 cup of water. On a low flame, cover it with a lid for about 10 minutes until it changes color. The fragrance of the rose petals has already filled my room. The color and the essence of the rose petals have been extracted well. Now strain the essence. Now it's time to make the sugar syrup. Heat a saucepan and add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water to it. Once the sugar is dissolved, continue to boil it for about 5 minutes on medium flame. As the sugar syrup comes to a sting consistency, add the extracted rose syrup. After a few minutes, add 2 teaspoons of fresh beetroot juice. This gives a natural pink color to the syrup. As you can see, the syrup is coming together beautifully. Now it's got this rich rose color. Finally, add few drops of lemon juice to avoid the sugar syrup from crystallizing. This consistency is perfect as it will thicken as it cools down. Now you can see the syrup is already thickened. First, let's make a delicious rose milk with this natural homemade rose syrup. I have added 2 tablespoons of rose syrup with 100 ml chilled milk. Now our delicious rose milk is ready. Now let's make a chilled rose drink. For that, I have taken a few ice cubes, 2 to 3 teaspoons of soaked sabja, some lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of our homemade rose syrup. Then add enough water to it and mix it well. Our chill summer rose drink is ready. You can also use this syrup as a topping for an ice cream. This can be stored in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks. Time to taste. This drink is very cool and refreshing. The rose milk is very tasty. It is a good drink. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.